Lezi ndaba sikwethulela zona kuphoma ewomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
We did not come back empty-handed. We came back with the son of the soil.
Isidumo sikalobe inxusa lakuleli France uNathi Mthethwa semukelwe amalungu omndeni kanye nabaholi be-ANC esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal esikhumulweni sezindiza eKing Shaka eThekwini namhlanje ntambama.
I did the best I could alone and I tried my best, but if I have to be blamed today, well, I accept.
Umkhuzo wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene ufane Masimula uchithe usuku lonke ephekwa ngembuzo amalungu ekomiti lasePhalamende nokuyikomiti lesikhashana eliphenya izinsolo zokuqhambukela kosombusazwe emsebenzini wamaphoyisa.
The appellant is granted bail in the amount of 400,000 rand.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli inikeze ukatiso KT Molefe ibhayile inkulungwane engamakhulu zamarandi ecaleni lokucijidolo lokubulala uOpa Sifuka nowayedume ngelika DJ Sambodi kanye nabanye. Njengamanje iBafana Bafana ikatulisana neZimbabwe emidlalweni omqoka wokuhlungela indebe yomhlaba yangonyaka ozayo enkundleni Moses Mabhida eThekwini. NabakaMazulu azalambe azadle inkinobho zebhantshi lakhe libumbene ihora lomkhothi siyakhuleka ninabezinyane lengezengeze angabe ngisanda ngomlomo njengesiqabetho angihlale kuzona ithondo nazo indaba. Limbozwe ngeflag laseNingizimu Afrika ibhokisi ebelinesidumbu salobe inxusa lezwe eFrance uNathi Mthethwa ngesikhathi umndeni kanye namalungu e-ANC emamukela esikhumulweni seindiza iKing Shaka namhlanje. Umthethwa uzohlonishwa ngomngcwabo wesigaba sesibili sezingeni lombuso njengoba ezofihlwa ngesonto empangeni khona KwaZulu-Natal.
Abegcwele umunye amalungu e-ANC kanye nomndeni wakaMthethwa ngesikhathi kwamukelwa isikhumulweni sezindiza eKing Shaka isidumbu sobe inxusa laseNingizimu Afrika kwelaseFrance uNathi Mthethwa. Oyilungu lesigungu esiphezulu ku-ANC uJeff Radebe wenabe ngegalela benalo uMthethwa.
Nathi Mthethwa played a pivotal role in the struggle for freedom and justice in South Africa. He was a brave man. I remember when I first met him in 1990. He was part of those militant youth of Southern Natal who was prepared to lay down his life in order to liberate our people.
Abomndeni wakaMthethwa babonge kakhulu kwesekwa kulesikhathi esinzima ababhekene naso.
Fellow South Africans, all what we want to say is that we are now back at home. We did not come back empty-handed. We came back with the son of the soil to present him to his family, to present him to his children, to present him to the people of South Africa.
Okhuluma egameni likahulumeni waKwaZulu-Natal uSiboniso Duma uqhakambise kakhulu okwenziwa uMthethwa kakhulukazi eshashalazini lezombusazwe.
To us, he will remain one of those comrades. To us, he will remain one of the rare breed in the province of KwaZulu-Natal. Hamba kahle ke Nyambose dingiswayo inyamkomazi kade ikhona ke ikhona bathi ke inyamazane eyasebenza umsebenzi emkhulu njengomgqugquzeli siyakukhumbula kanjalo siyabonga kakhulu nyamazane imfolo zemnyama inketha abawethu.
Inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kaMthethwa yaqhubeka empangeni.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezobudlelwano namazwe omhlaba ubambe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo sikalobe inxusa lakuleli eFrance uNathi Mthethwa nasempangeni esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ukhunjuliwe namhlanje uMthethwa.
Lo wayengungqongqoshe wezobudlelwano namazwe omhlaba uDokotela uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma ukhulume ngokungafundwe empilweni ephilwe uMthethwa njengoba emchaze njengoba eyinikele futhi enobuntu. uDlamini Zuma ubekhuluma ePitoli lapho umnyango wezobudlelwano namazwe omhlaba obubambele khona inkonzo yokukhumbula uMthethwa.
What lessons can we learn from Nathi Mthethwa's life? Let me say the first one is respect. Nathi respected everyone, young or old.
oyinxusa laseFrance kuleli uDavid Martinon umkhumbule njengoba engumxhumanisi phakathi kwezwe adabuka kulo kuyiFrance nelakuleli.
I wanted to present my condolences on behalf of the President of the Republic of France to the people of South Africa and to the colleagues of Ambassador Mthethwa here at Durko.
Kusenjalo kwenye inkonzo esikhumbuze banjelwe empangeni esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ikhosathi imchaze njengoba sesebalazweni uMthethwa.
We have lost one of the sons of the soil who has not only led here, led in KwaZulu-Natal, but gone beyond the bounds of the province.
Okhulumela iANC kuzwelonke kuveza ukuthi iFrance ilwela nje ukuthi bekhululeka abantu basePalestine kungenxa kaMthethwa.
Akuyona imistake ukuthi namhlanje uhamba emhlabeni with izwekazi laseFrance lithathe isinqumo sokuthi nalo liyayingenelela lomzabalazo ukuthi abantu basePalestine bakhululeke. Kwenzeke anda yena.
Umthethwa uzobekwa endlini yakhe yokugcina ngesonto kwaMbunambi KwaZulu-Natal.
Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kuzwelonke uJenene uFani Masimula akafunanga ngokwenaba embuzweni wekomiti lasePhalamende ukuthi kungabe kufanele yini ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu osanikezwe umhlabakhefu aboshwe ngensolo abhekene nazo. uMasimula beqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi bakhe phambi kwekomiti lesikhashana elihlalela insolo ezibucayi idalulwe umkhuzi wamaphoyisa kwaZulu-Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi neziphathelene nokugqamukela kosombusazwe ekusebenzeni kwamaphoyisa.
uJenene Masimula uthe akulula ukuqagula ezikhulumeni zokuthi kufanele yini ungqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu unikeze umhlabakhefu emsebenzini aboshwe ngenxa insolo eyichaphazela igama lakhe ngokugqambukela kwezigilamkhuba eziphezulu kanye nosombusazwe ekusebenzeni kwinhlaka zamaphoyisa nakwezobulungiswa.
Do you believe the minister must be arrested?
No, I can't express an opinion on that. There is a case that is being investigated. I think you heard from General Mkhwanazi when he was here, that Honorable Chair, that there is a case that is being investigated and one cannot comment on cases that are still under investigation.
Udaba ngesinqumo ngokuhlakaza kwethimba elalijutshela ukuphenya ngokusocongwa kosombusazwe KwaZulu-Natal. uMasemula utshele ikomiti lesikhashana lasePhalamende ukuthi wakwenza konke okusemandleni ukugcina iPKTT ingahlakaziwe. Uthe uyakwemukela uma kukhona abamsolayo kulokhu nakuba ikholelwa ukuthi wakwenza okwakufanele.
But one thing, Honorable Chair, is that the team was never closed. It is still operational even up to this day. I did everything that I could do, and there was no door where I didn't went to. I engaged him several times, and he shut the door. You'd recall on the 16th of January, I met the minister on other matters. We discussed those, and in the process, I raised this matter again. And he shut the door to say, no, there is a due date for submitting the report. Submit the report, then we can talk. After submission of the report, there was no talk.
Kulindeleke ukuthi uMasimula aphothule ubufakazi bakhe namuhla ePhalamende.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli inikeze uKatiso Molefe ibheyili enkulungwane engama-400 zamarandi ecaleni lokucija itulo lokubulawa kuka-Oupa Sifuka nowayedume ngaka-DJ Sambodi kanye nokubandakanyeka kwakhe kwamanye amacala.
Ngesikhathi yendlalela isinqumo sayo inkosi yenkantolo ithe ubufakazi obethulwe ngumbuso bebungabambeki bungenasisindo bucwele nokuqagela nje kuphela yabe isinika uMolefe ibheyili ezinkulungwane ezingama-400 zamarandi.
The appellant has granted bail in the amount of 400,000 rand, full stop. This amount is in addition to the bail granted by the High Court of South Africa, Gauteng Division, in brackets Pretoria, under case number capital letter A 112/2025 in the sum of 100,000 rand.
Le bheyili hamsana nembandela efaka phakathi ukuthi uMolefe eyobika ikami lamaphoyisa kathathu ngesonto. iMPA idumele ngesinqumo esikhishwe inkantolo.
siphoxekile kakhulu sumnyango wobushushisi asisinqumo besisicabangile ngoba sinesiqiniseko sokuthi besithule ubufakazi obanele ukuthi inkantolo ingafinyelela kulesinqumo yayifinyelele kuso Alexandra ukuthi imncishe ibail ummangalelwa.
Phakathi kwasolwa nabo umlifi kufaka phakathi uMichael Puletau, uTlego Floyd Mabusela kanye noMusa Kekana.
Mbukele zibhlungu zithi akasekho emhlabeni lokho waba umethuli waphinde waba umphathi weindaba zesizulu khona la SABC ubaba uBongani Gamede obeseneminyaka engama-78 ubudala. Ubaba uMagadlela wayehlezi kusona lesihlalo ethamunda lezi ndaba ezesizulu engithamundayo.
Siphinde sinamukele ezindabeni ze-SABC 1 kanti-ke ngasingakaqhubeka sinikhumbuza udaba belihamba phambili.
Umkhakha wezindaba ugutshezelwe yife lemnyama ngemuva kwezindaba zokwedlula emhlabeni koqweqo lentatheli bese lithathe umhlala phansi ubaba uBongani Gamede. uGamede wazakhela ugazi kwabaningi ngokuba umethuli wezindaba zesizulu ku-SABC 1 kanti waphinde waba ngumphathi wazo izindaba zesizulu ngeminyaka yama-90s. Owangena izicatholweni zakhe njengomphathi wezindaba uthi impela wancela kugwansile.
Bekiye ukuthi noma kunephutha uGamede ube nomoya phansi bengatatazeli ubevela ashathi mkhaya into enhle ngendaba ezisakazwa bukhoma ukuthi iphutha amaselenzekile asiqhubekele phambili singalokhu siyishaya ngalelo phutha kodwa asilungiselela ukuthi singabe sisaliphinda lelo phutha nomoya omuhle uGamede ubungeke uzothiwa khona umuntu onenxa noGamede ngoba bekumuntu amancoko ehlale eyihlekela nje.
Omunye wayebambisene naye ezindabeni uthi uMagadlela wayewazisa umsebenzi wakhe.
Sizwa lebe wazisa umsebenzi wayo futhi kuyinzizwa ke nokho ehlala incokola nje namancoko. Hambe kwahamba ke yathatha umhlala phansi. Yahamba ke yahlala ekhaya. Nokho ke ngiyayikhumbula uma isimo sesinje ngoba kwakuthi uma ikuzwa nje ukukhwehlela ithi hawu sekwenze njani amabhasi aseyaduma njalo. Ngithi ke Magadlela amabhasi asegcina edumile mfowethu hamba kahle abangani izihlobo bonke nje baduduzeke.
Nakuba wayengumphathi wethimba lezindaba zesizulu kepha wabamba iqhaza elimqoka ecathuliseni ozakwethu abasakaza ngezinye izilimi zesinguni.
Ubaba Gamede sethulwe ezandleni zakhe silitafula lendaba zesindebele ngo-2002 ukuthi asifundise umsebenzi njengoba nasafika njalo. Kwenzileke lokho ngaphandle kokuthi kube nokubhalelwa nangaphandle kokuthi kube nalapho kuphambukeka khona emsebenzini wakhe. Utatayisile wasifundisa umsebenzi okukhulu futhi okunye engizanande ngimkhumbula ngakho ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi sokuthi asifundisa umsebenzi ube nande aqaha ngamahlaya enzela ukuthi kube lula ukuthi siubambe umsebenzi.
Lokunyenti le ngakufunza wasimunyisa waGamede wasifundzisa ukuthi kuhanjwa njani kulendlela lena futhi ke nakhona besisabukelele lokunyenti nane kuthi nanobe ngabe sekahambile ngobe wathatha umhlala phansi la eSABC kodwa bekungilabantu laba lebesathi ukuthi lapho sibhajwa khona siyakwazi ukuthi siphame selicingo sibude bebaloku bahlahla indlela nanoma bangasekho la etindlini tekusakada.
Asibonane ngokuzayo nisale kahle.
Mbukelo wendaba ze-SABC lengwazi esiguqile ibithithungile kakhulu la emkhakheni wokufunda kweindaba. Siyakhumbula nathi sisakhula sisezingane sasijwayele ukuyibona isakaza indaba. Sinesifiso sokuthi ngolunye usuku nathi siyafisa ukuyibona sila ikhona sithalale ngoxolo ubaba uGamede ubehlaba ngesizulu ke esinothile esijulile. Uma ngabe ungasazi kahle isizulu uphumputha ubumuntu obugcina ungamuzwa ukuthi uthini alale ngoxolo. Sizoqhubeka nomsebenzi wokubamba indaba zesizulu. Mbukeli sathi qhubeka itolo kanti uma besibuya sizokuphatha
Only between 10 and 12% said they believe the VC must go.
Inyuvesi yaseFort Hare Eastern KPT uVice Chancellor uSolwazi Usakhela Buhlungu uzoqhubeka nokuhola lesi sikhungo yize abafundi befuna ukuthi ashenxe esikhundleni. asikubingela sikwamukele imbukelo uma ngabe sanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi Isidumbu sikalobe inxusa lakulele eFrance uNathi Mthethwa semukelwe amalungu omndeni kanye nabaholi beANC KwaZulu-Natal esikhumulweni seyindiza iKing Shaka International eThekwini namhlanje ntambama. Mbukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus wena okumele ukwenze engena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uma ngiqeda nje ukuyisakaza ukhona uzakwethu oselinde nje ukuthi akufakele zona. Inyuvesi Fort Hare eEastern Cape ithi Vice Chancellor uSolwazi uSakhelwa Buhlungu uzoqhubeka nokhola lesi sikhungo lokho kulandela umbhikisho wabafundi osudonse isonto lonke befuna ubuhlungu ehliswe esikhundleni ngokusheshsha bekhala ngokuthi selokho athatha intambo wehlulekile ukubhekelela idingo zabo.
Koluqhankqalazo lwensuku ezine kutshiswe izakhiwo zale university ezintandathu ukuquka kuzo isakhiwo solawulo saseDikeni kwakunye nesecandelo lezemfundo eMonti. Abafundi bathi ibhunga le university zama ukubavala umlomo ngokuchonga isikhokelo sabafundi sethutyana esizakuchophela izilungiso kumgaqo seko ulawulo kwenkokeli zabafundi. Le university izikhabile izityholo zokuba abafundi bafuna inqununu njingalwazi Sakhela Buhlungu ehambile.
And we actually ran a study just 3 days ago where we've had over 900 registered undergraduate and postgraduate students participating. And only between 10 and 12% said they believe the VC must go.
Izifundiso zale university zithi kuyaxhalabisa ukubona iziseko zemfundo ezimoshakeleyo nezixabisa izigidi zerandi.
Kukho ii-samples ebezisetyenziswa zii-students ezenza i-research ekufuneke ziye zigraduatile next year, and the problem is now those results and the data, it is also affected.
Le university ithi inenjongo zokuqalisa inkqubo yokufunda kumvulo zayo.
So the priority now is for continuity, firstly with the academic learning project. That is what we want to, which is actually being implemented right now. Online learning.
Kwathi inza kuthatha amanyathelo angqengqwa ngakubafundi abangayilandeli imiyalelo yale university ethi mabahambe kweli zikomfundo. Ndingusidima Mfeku kwindaba ze-SABC ndiseDikeni.
Inhlangano ezimele i-235 movement eKleinfontein ePitoli ibambe umbhikisho ikhala ngendlela lo masipala oqoqa ngayo intela kuleya ndawo. Lezakhamuzi zithi umasipala kumele uhoxise uhlelo loqoqo kwentela kuleya ndawo.
You enjoyed that thing during apartheid, not now.
Uqubuka ingxabano phakathi kwezakhamuzi abamhlophe esihlala eKleinfontein kanowangamele zemvelo nezolimo kumkhandlu udolopha iTswane. Izakhamuzi zithi umasipala awunalo igunya lokufuna ukuqoqa intela emhlabeni wazo.
Is to tell the mayor's office and the partners that is ruling currently the Tshwane Metro that they must stop the attacks on the Kleinfontein community. And there's several reasons for that. Is that Kleinfontein community is private land. They do their things on their own with their own money. No one is investing in these areas, in this community.
Iziphathimandla zomkhandlu idolobha zilamukela uhlu lwesikhalo zethembisa ukuthi udaba luzobhekisisa ngaphakathi emkhandlwini njengoba izakhamuzi zaseKleinfontein zinika izinsuku eziyishumi-nesikhombisa ukuthi uphendule.
This is an illegal settlement, and it's not only us who have said that it's an illegal settlement. The courts have told us that they haven't followed the rezoning, they haven't followed the compliance, and in a normal municipality, if we wanted to be more arrogant, we're supposed to demolish this Kleinfontein. I don't even know how it was left to be where it is.
uRamabodu uthe iziphathimandla zomkhandlu zizohambela iKleinfontein ngesonto elizayo ukuyohlola ukuthi ngabe le ndawo iyahambisana yini nemithetho elawula umasipala.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala enkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa iSIU selveze ukuthi uCollins Litswalo obekade isikhulu phezulu esinqephezela abalimala engozini zomgwaqo iRoad Accident Fund uyathinteka uphenyo oluqhubekayo ngokusebenza kwemali yalesikhwama ngendlela engafanele. Oyisikhulu esiphezulu Andy Mothibi usho kanje ethula umbiko phambi kwekomiti laseParliament elibhekele ukusebenza kwemali yomphakathi.
Selokhu kuqale uphenyo lwe-SIU lokusetshenziswa budedengu kwemali esikhwameni seraf igama likaLetswalo selveze kaningi esolwa ngokuxambukela esivumelwaneni sesakhiwo eGoli.
The former CEO of RAF
interfered in the procurement. This is the finding. We've investigated the process and so on. So we have found that the former CEO interfered in the procurement process in that he authorized the re-evaluation of the already evaluated bid by the BEC and BAC, Bid Evaluation Committee and the Bid Adjudication Committee. This was outside the normal procurement process.
Umothibi uthi lethwalo usolwa ngokwephula imithetho yokuthengwa kwempahla kanye nokukhishwa kwamathenda.
The total amount of default judgments issued against REF for cost and fees from 2018 and second quarter of 2023 amounts to 4.7 billion plus. This is, as we indicate, this is cumulative.
Isikopha kulindele ukuthi siqhubeke nophenyo mayelana nokusaphazwa kwemali kulesi sikhwama kulamasonto azayo.
Mbukeli umhlahlo somo sezulu yalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli sale kahle.